Hey guys, Sherwin again. So today I'm going to teach you how to use Excel to count all your trials together so you can easily add up whatever you need to do to submit them. This is a super easy way. I get through 20 super quick, so pay attention, it'll really help you out. Okay, so let's start by hitting Windows and just typing Excel. So Excel pops up. That's another feature you guys can demo. So let's open up Excel. And so here is what I do to make life 100 times easier for myself. So at the top, on the first row, what I do is I list everything on the trial sheet, right? So I go Mac for Mac user, PC for PC user, Bing, Calc, Cus, and what I do is I abbreviate everything so the cells are as small as possible. HD, Home, IE9, Mag, Office, Peak, Play, Remote, Shake, Snap, Hotmail, Messenger, Movie, Office, Photo, Sky. So that's all the things, and then I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then Apple, PC, Linux, undecided, Apple, PC, Linux, undecided. Okay, so that's what I do. And then let's go back to the first part, the first cell, by pressing function left arrow, which is home. And then what I do is I go through and double click on the border of each cell to make the cell as small as possible. What this does in Excel, which is another feature if you guys don't know about it, is it minimizes the cell to fit the largest thing in the cell. So if right now, well, this is going to be the largest thing we have in the cell anyway, because the rest is going to be numbers. So you just minimize everything, just keep going with it. I'll show you a little trick to fit everything in later if everything doesn't fit in. And you'll only need to do this once because you're going to be saving this file so you can come back to it every single time to record your trials. For the first one, I'll do a sample one that I have, and for the rest I'll just make them up and I'll show you what to do at the end. So it looks like we're barely going to fit everything in. Okay, so we have everything fit in right there. As you can see, there's a lot of boxes. So here's what I do. You don't need a trial and demo box, and I'll show you why in a second. So here's a sample one for me. Let me bring out a couple more. So here's a sample one for me. So this person's the Mac user, so I put in a 1. And then what I do is you can either use the right arrow or tab to go to the next cell. If tab is easier for you, use tab. If the right arrow is easier for you, use the right arrow. I use the right arrow because I can use that with my right hand and I can click numbers with my left. So I'll go 1 over here for Mac user. PC user, not a PC user, so I go to the next one. Bing, yes. Calculator, yes. Customization, no. HD DVR, no. Home group, no. IE9, yes. Magnifier, no. Office, yes. Peak, yes. Play 2, no. Remote, no. Shake, yes. Snap, yes. Hotmail, Messenger, Movie Maker, Office, Photo, SkyDrive, no. So that's that part. The next part's even easier. So what you do is, for my next part, whoever filled this out has 1 checked off for 3 for prior and 1 for after, 6 for after. So what I do is I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Makes it super quick. And for the next one, same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? And then for Apple, I go Apple, none, none, none. And this says Windows, PC, none, none. So you do that for each one. So and you press enter and function left arrow to go back home to the very first cell, or you can click on the first cell, whatever you want to do. And then what you do is you do that over again. So I'm just going to do a random one, just throw in some numbers in here. So what I just did right now is I just threw in some numbers. It's totally random, okay? So what you do at the end, after you filled all yours out, and here's the best part, is you pay attention closer to this. You press the equal sign, type sum, okay? And then open parentheses. And what you want to do is you want to drag from the bottom one all the way to the top one. And then you close the parentheses, okay? And what that does is it automatically adds up everything in that row. And then what you want to do is you want to go to the corner of the cell over here and drag it all the way across to the very last row under undecided. And what it does is it automatically adds everything up in those cells. And from here on, you just fill out your little trial sheet like you're supposed to. So that's about it. Makes everything super easy. Oh, and here's how you count your trials. You just go 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 trials. There we go. You just count the number of cells going down. That easy. So that's how I do it. Makes everything super easy for me. I don't have to bother with pens or pencils or tally marks or anything. I just do this. So hopefully this helped you out. I know it's a little long. The video's kind of long, but I'm sorry. It's the best I could do. But hopefully this helps you. If anyone's confused, add me on Messenger. My email address is on the website, on the My Windows U website. Just add me on Messenger, ask me a question, find me on Facebook, ask me a question, whatever you need. I'll try to help you out. Thanks a lot, guys, and good luck.